I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and guess what? I am in a new location. I am in our new home, which is here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Mike and I, we have sold our house. If you're on my Instagram, At Home with Nikki, you already know this. So if you're not on my Instagram, definitely go ahead and like me over there so that you can go on this new journey with us. You know, we made the decision to make some huge life changes that are just exciting for us and better for us. And we are loving Charlotte. We're closer to family. We also, it's more opportunities for me. And we just, you know, if we were going to sell our house, this was the time to sell it. We knew it was not our forever home. And everything just lined up perfectly. So we definitely know it is a God thing. And I'm so excited to take you on the journey of setting up our new place. We're basically in the heart of, well, not downtown, but we're in the heart of Charlotte, North Carolina. And we're just gonna live simply and beautifully and enjoy the amenities in the city while we wait out the market until we build or buy our dream home. And so I'm excited to take you on the journey of organizing a smaller space and downsizing and all that comes with that. And so I think that's going to be great for both you and I to go on this journey. So I hope you will definitely come along. If you're not subscribed, I would love for you to click that subscribe button. And today I want to just share with you our new home. And I want to share with you the empty home tour before I jump in and show you kind of where I'm at right now. So let's jump into the home tour. Okay, so I want to give you a tour of our new home, our new apartments that we are living in. So beautiful. Okay, so let's start at the entryway. We have a place here, just like a little kind of drop station. It has 2 drawers. I love anything with storage, so that's cute. I love how you walk in and you have the cove there. I found a beautiful piece of artwork there. And then as we turn around, we also have an area for me to put my entryway table. And so this is kind of the entryway to the apartment. You go in, you can go to the left or you can go to the right. And so let's go to the right. And then you walk into the main room here. And this is the main living room. It's an open concept. So then we have our kitchen here also. Love the kitchen. It is huge. I think I have more space in this kitchen than I did in my house. I'm not sure yet until I get in. But then I love here we have, I definitely think this would be my coffee bar area, wine area, because we have the wine fridge here. Beautiful. I love that we have the island here. It's going to be nice, and kind of the dining area here with great lighting and windows, huge lighting and windows. Love that. And nice lights. Beautiful 6-burner stove, which that's going to be nice. I have my little pantry cabinet here, this tall one here. And let's turn around. And then we have our microwave here, which is great. It's like a push drawer microwave, along with our dishwasher. So very, very, very large and convenient kitchen. And I love how we have the whole kind of open concept. That's going to be fun. And then over here too, we have our patio where we have a fireplace on our patio, along with, we can put a TV up there. So that's going to be a nice little area for Mike and I and Bentley and Albert. And then we have our little mini den area here with the huge doors. I don't know if you get a feel from that from the camera, but this is going to be kind of my office area. So I'm going to set that up. It has a nice closet in here where I can keep all of my kind of business supplies. So that's where I'm going to keep any office things there. But I think this is going to work. This is going to be a nice, we're going to put the bookcase in here. This is going to be it's small, but it'll work. It's going to work. But look, I love all the windows, and I don't know if you can tell the lighting. Let's see. But I love all the windows and the natural light that comes in. We do have the shades there. We come around here. This is where our bedroom is. You see my shoes on the floor there. Lots of light. But here's our bedroom here. We got 10-foot ceilings. We do have a fireplace in our bedroom. This shade is getting removed, so that's going to get removed. They said they would come take it off if I didn't like it. Then here's our master bathroom, which Mike and I, he's going to take the guest bathroom, and I'm going to keep this one for all my things, since it's just the two of us, we can do that. And then when we have guests, he can easily just move over here. But I think for everyday use, it's going to be so nice to have my own bathroom. And so plenty of storage and sinks. Again, more storage than I had in my actual house. Double sink here. Let me turn you around here so you can see the shower, because it is huge. Look at that shower, huge shower. And then the water closet here. I think it's very spacious. And then my closet. And Mike and I, this is gonna be my closet. He's gonna take the closet, the other walk-in, and this will be mine. So it's gonna be so nice. It's huge. Plenty of space, so I can't wait to organize that with you guys. And so that's the bathroom. And then you go back out into our bedroom. And so now let's go around to the other side of the apartment. And you keep straight back. Oh, this is such a perfect size for us. And then we have a half bath here, which is great when we have company. They don't have to use our bathroom, so they have their own kind of water closet there. It is huge. I can almost fit a cabinet there. It's so huge. And then right here is our laundry room. Again, plenty of space. We have the stackable washer and dryer there. That it was here. It comes with it. And then cabinet space, upper and bottom, along with the sink. So that's convenient there. This is just the door to, I guess, the electrical. And then this is a coat closet here. Nice. There. And then this is the guest bedroom. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. We initially was thinking 3 so they could have a home office, but because they have that little den, this worked, and they didn't have any 3s available. And this is they only have like 40 apartments in this area. And the beautiful thing about it, everybody's so neighborly. They do, every Saturday we have brunch prepared, and it's really nice. So, and here is the guest bathroom, which is huge. Plenty of cabinet space there. And then this is what Mike is gonna use as his closet here, since, we're not gonna always have company, so it just makes sense. This is a lot of space not to use all the time. And so we'll leave a space for guests, but then he can put all his clothes in here and have his own closet, so that we don't change like from our house. And this one here has the bathtub here. Nice, huge bathtub. It's a squared bathtub, and also the shower there. So I would need to get a shower curtain from there, but the ceilings are so high here. And that is our new home. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed seeing the empty home tour, and I hope you're super excited about coming along on the journey as I put our new place together. I have to tell you, we are just loving it so far. Bentley and Albert have settled it in so great. They're living their best life. This is like heaven to them. I'll show you a little bit on this journey of the amenities and just more. You'll see more. But today I just wanted to really share that with you. I also want to let you know I did take an empty home tour. I did film the house back in Charleston, so that you guys don't feel like I just kind of abruptly left and you just cut you off from the house that you have been in with me for so many years. And so I did kind of take you through the house while it was empty. And I also, I think I did like, maybe it was just downstairs of my organized home tour before I packed up. And so I tried to just get footage for you so that you felt like you had closure with the house with me. But the house was good to us. We loved it, but we knew it was our time. And it sold the same day it went on the market, so in way over asking price. So it was just a beautiful experience with that. But I'll tell you more about that in a different video. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. And again, I will see you at the next video. Have a beautiful day, my friends. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.